What is 23% of 50? A. 11.5, B. 13, C. 12.5, D. 75. 90% people cannot solve the math. Only talent person solve the math. The math is very easy but difficult, and 90% people failed the correct answer. What is 23%? 23%. It's very difficult. So you try and the correct answer and follow my page. Please comment your answer.